Hello everyone, welcome to Marvel Create Your Own tutorial. Today we're going to pick a character and talk about how to tilt your character and add a background so you emphasize the action. We'll use Spider-Man in this case. Here we are on the page. We want to go over here to the pose file here and pick a pose that's action-packed. Spider-Man has lots of action-packed poses. Let's go. Let me see. I think I like this one. Picked it before. I'm really digging this. Now I want to show you something here. Over here, there's the tilt. You can go in the middle. You can go up top, or you can go in the bottom. And then when you rotate the character, you can see what the tilt does for each thing. Here it looks like he's jumping up, like the camera's below. Here the camera's right in the middle, and here the camera's up above. I want to do a shot of him jumping from above, or from the camera being from below. So here, make him a little smaller because we are going to pick a background. Let's go back to page. Go to background. And let's pick a background that matches what we're going for here. Let's go with this. Here we go. This is a great city background there. Okay, so now that we have our buildings in the background, get back to that. Back to the background. Let's get the buildings in there. Move them up right there. Let's go back to his. I'm going to make him a little smaller because I want those buildings to be very impressive. I like that. There we go. So now you see Spider-Man from the worm's eye perspective, jumping up, springing in action. Next page, he'll probably be doing something amazing. And there you go. Just wanted to show you how to use the tilt tool and pick a background, put those together to create dynamic action. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned, true believers, for more tutorials. Have a great one and have fun out there making comics.